Get me some coffee.
Okay.
In Italy.
So now we come over to this machine.
Hopefully that's right.
Cardito is halfway.
Oh yeah, okay.
And your sugar is what here?
Yeah, like lots of sugar. Yeah, that's good.
4 sugars Sakura.
Yes.
And 41.
Getting some kind of, what does that even say? That kind of, oh, what's it doing? Oh, it dropped me a cup down. It's dropping me a stir stick.
Loads of sugar. Where's the coffee? You see milk.
I think lots of milk because it's a
Where's the
cappuccino.
milk?
It's going to be very,
Ooh,
it's going to make me fat. Huh. I think that's about it. I think the beep means it's done, huh?
Yeah, let's assume so.
I can't see. Oh, there we go. Oh, alright. You want to taste? Why don't you stir it up and see what it's like?
I gave you a stir stick?
Yeah.
No way, I'm not.
Dropped it in there. That's good, huh?
No, it smells like shit.
Alright, I'll see what it tastes like. Oh, wow.
Good?
Yeah,
Hey.
not bad. Did not let me down. Good job, Italy.